Georeferencing is the process of aligning an image to establish its spatial reference within a specific coordinate system. It involves moving, scaling, rotating, and transforming the image to match an existing map with known geographic location. In this tutorial, you will learn how to georeference using ArcGIS Pro. The first thing you need to do is to add your image to the Canva. Under the catalog, we have the folder where we have the image, and we are going to be making use of this image here. And what I will do is to drag it in and you drop. Now we have the image under our table of content. What we can do now is to come to this image and you click on zoom to layer, and we have the image. This is the image where we are going to be using to carry out our georeference. As you can see, the image on the Canva. This is Muritala Mohammed International Airport, Lagos State, Ikeja. We want to georeference out this airport, and what we can do to start the georeferencing is to come to our table of content. You select the raster image that you want to georeference, and you come to the imagery tools, then you click on georeference. This will bring set of tools here. You will have auto georeference, import control point, add control point, transformation, auto apply. These tools help us to carry out our georeferencing. The next thing we can do is to click on fit to display. It makes it easier for the next step to have a point of reference. Now I'm going to zoom out here. So basically this is the map we are making use of. We are making use of this map. When you zoom to layer here, open street map. Under this map we have base map. So we have different type of base map. We have imagery, hybrid, street. I'm making use of, you can see OpenStreetMap. We have OpenStreetMap. I selected OpenStreetMap. That is why you can see OpenStreetMap on the screen. So this is OpenStreetMap, and the location I'm interested in is Lagos State, to be precise, Ikeja Airport. So this is the location, Ikeja Muritala Airport. And right from the map, I drag in the other time. This is where we want to carry out the georeferencing. Okay, so what I can do now is to click on this image and I'll click on georeference. Click on fit to display. Now I have the image that I want to georeference on the screen with the OpenStreetMap. So what I can do here is you must ensure the locations you want to georeference. You must know the strategic places that you want to use to carry out your georeferencing. So what I can do here is to move the source map to a place that I can easily pick the reference point. So what I'll do is to click on move. I'll move this here. Okay, so and another thing I can do is to click on scale. So with the scale, I can zoom, I can scale it up or scale it down. Okay, this is better, and I'll click on move. So I'm okay with this. Once I'm done with setting it up, I can zoom in to have a better view, and I'll click on add control point. You can see it says from point source. I'm going to be making use of this row. The first one is this, and under my reference, this is where I selected. This is the target point. So, and another thing is to select the next reference source. Yeah, make use of this place. And what we can do from here, as you can see, the image is obstructing us to pick the targeted point. So what we can do is to uncheck this and select the locations that we just selected here. We have it here. And the next thing is to turn it in back. This is what we've done. With this, what we can do now is to click on auto apply. You click on auto apply, you realize the georeference point is sitting exactly on the image. So what we can do here is to come to this control point table, and once you click on control points table, you're going to get a table that gives you the locations of georeference points. We have this point georeference, and under the transformation we have different forms of transformation, but basically the default is on first order polynomial, which is more accurate. We use first order polynomial. We have the residual for each point. When you check this RMS, lower RMS means an higher accuracy in georeferencing. And when you are done with this, what you can do is to save what you georeference, save as, and you export. If you want to export out with this, you are good to go on how to carry out georeferencing using your ArcGIS Pro. If you want to learn the basics of GIS, I will drop the link on my video description on how to enroll for the course Basics of GIS. And if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel.